Rakuten Symphony is empowering the global telecom and enterprise industries. Its vision is to provide a future-proven, cost-effective, cloud-native connectivity platform based on open interface architectures and a global ecosystem of strategic vendor partners. There are offices all over the world, and in today's report, we spotlight the offices in India, where nearly 2,000 employees work in 3 offices across 4 business units. The newest office is in Bengaluru in southern India and houses the new Global Innovation Lab. Let's check it out. The Global Innovation Lab provides end-to-end automation solutions and serves customers by providing blueprints or ready-to-use frameworks for effortless deployment and adoption of those solutions. Some examples of these include 5G and 4G automation, auto healing and auto commissioning solutions, and IoT integration with third-party vendors. Key driving concepts behind the lab design are environment optimization and safety. For example, the huge amount of equipment, including radios, means heat and radiation management are critical. The RAN lab is logically segregated into custom-built clusters, allowing each cluster to act as an independent network on its own Ethernet. This allows Rakuten Symphony to easily perform functionality testing, throughput testing, automation, regression, and various other overnight tests in alignment with different customer requirements. One of the visionaries behind the lab and its design and others gave us a tour.
Welcome all. I'm just taking you to the monitoring center. Come. This is your building maintenance system. This is 24/7 monitoring. See, the entire area is being monitored, and now all this is being captured, and we have a data stored for it. There is physical monitoring also going on. Every 2 hours they need to go check everything, readings and all.
So customer would add specific features that need to be validated. So those features or those requirements will be tested in the RAN lab. So all these racks and the test equipment and the simulators and the applications and tools, they basically ensure that operator is made to avoid vendor locking. So over past few decades, telecom industry has observed a major transition towards open and disaggregated network infrastructure. And whatever the testing scenario we do in the RAN lab, which basically ensure the operator is allowed with the increased efficiency, service requirement, and also reduction in the cost on the overall operations.
We spoke with members using the lab facilities.
Basically, in this lab, we do the radio IoT, and these are our colleagues who are working here. And we have a thermal chamber as well there. So in that thermal chamber, we basically we increase the temperature or lower the temperature, simulate the real life conditions, and then perform those test cases and see how it behaves at different various temperatures. So right now the test is running at 3 degrees centigrade.
Actually, this is like a 15-member team. Actually, total 15 members. Few fellows are a PJ team, and myself, few more fellows are from hardware background. So we'll integrate everything. Kind of radio conformance test we'll do. Actually.
Finally, RNN asked about the innovation behind the lab and the vision for the future.
Rakuten Symphony is one of the breakthrough innovators in 5G. Open RAN technology, right? And a lot of elements about Open RAN require a lot of automation. So one of the primary focus of the lab that we have is to create end-to-end automation solutions. For example, how do you automate an entire 5G network starting from where You bring up the underlying infrastructure such as the cloud, deploy the CUs and DUs of the RAN, connect them to the radio units, and then deploy the OSS on top, and so that you can do your OBF monitoring or you can do the BSS billing, etc. Right? So we are actually focused on creating such end-to-end automation solutions for multiple networks. The future vision for the Global Innovation Lab is that our customers are able to really use this beyond just consuming the solutions that we offer to them, are really able to test their products along with the interoperability or the performance or the integration aspects with Rakuten Symphony products, that we help to fuel or accelerate their roadmaps, right? And also to be able to drive joint innovation with our customers in actually continuing the disruption we have created in the Open RAN technology.